name is Miss Emily here at the Rogers Public Library. Today for hands-on, we get to play with a cute, soft little dog. So you will get 1, 2 eyes and some colorful shapes. Put the eyes and the shapes on your dog to create all kinds of different funny, happy, angry, or sad, or silly faces. Now I'm going to show you some of the things I made with my cute, fuzzy, silly, happy dog. And you can see that the shapes will stick to your cute dog. You can put the shapes anywhere you'd like. Oh, they might fall off though, so be careful.